Sige.
I welcome everyone for this event na pinasaya nyo kaming lahat. Sana mag-enjoy tayo.
Okay naman. Basketball muna. Black, white.
Happy 21st birthday, Caleb!
Happy birthday, Caleb!
God bless you! Happy birthday, Caleb!
Thank you sa pagpunta. Wala na ako mas... Wala, yun lang. Thank you sa pagsama dito, paglaro. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Tas mamaya ulit sa party.
Happy birthday, Kuya Caleb! Love you so much!
More birthdays to come, bro. And gamitin ka ni Lord sa lahat-lahat at para to sa Panginoon.
Papasalamat ako sa inyo. Of course, you made this event very special. We were going to have a great fellowship.
Thank you po. Shout out sa nanay ko.
Every time I look at you, Anak, I'm reminded of how faithful God has been. You are truly our answered prayer, Anak.
Thank you for being a great brother.
Happy birthday, AC!
Happy birthday, Kuya Caleb.
Wala akong pangarap para sa sarili ko. My dream is your dream. Okay? Kaya happy birthday. I love you so much.
Gusto ko po mag-thank you una kay Mami, kay Daddy sa birthday ko po. Bilang sobrang grateful ko, sobrang saya ko.